Today we're going to be eating this volcano cake. I know it doesn't look like one right now, but this is also edible. And I've been... Oh, never mind. Sounds like my tooth just broke.
No, we did want to see what you did.
It's straight up sugar and I love it.
You okay? Can you drink your water?
Oh, that was really good. Yeah.
Like one day past.
No, not. I don't even believe that.
Oh, that's kind of hard to chew.
They're listed. They're not selling. What's that? Pick up the water less.
Is that red stuff like strawberry?
Yeah. Now, let's try one of the white balls. They're crunchy.
I was surprised too. I thought they were just white chocolate.
Yeah, it's really weird.
Any questions for you?
No, I think we're good.
And if you're wondering where I am, I'm at Disney.
It's called Powder Queijo. It's a Brazilian-style
At the Skipper Canteen.
9 individual cheese bread balls about that size.
Over here next to the Jungle Cruise.
Yep.
Sounds good.
How many stars do you give it?
Alright, I'll throw it in.
10,
10 stars.
20,
20 stars.
30,
Okay.
40,
Ding, 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 ding,
50,
ding.
100. 100 stars for staying at that. Thank you guys for watching. Button subscribe. Bye.